Hit the dance floor. Unleash your inner groove and dance the night away. They cranked up the music and everyone hit the dance floor, letting loose and having a blast. Mingling. Navigate the social seas and connect with fellow partygoers. She embarked on a mission of mingling, introducing herself and sparking conversations with new faces. Party animal. Embrace the spirit of celebration and live it up. He danced till dawn, chatted with everyone, and kept the energy level high, earning his status as the ultimate party animal. Wallflower. Observe the vibrant tapestry of the party from a comfortable distance. He preferred to be a wallflower, soaking in the atmosphere and enjoying the spectacle from the sidelines. Life of the party. Inject infectious energy and keep the good vibes flowing. She was the life of the party, radiating warmth and drawing everyone into her infectious laughter and playful spirit. Party pooper. Avoid dampening the mood with negativity or complaints. Don't be a party pooper. Embrace the fun and let loose instead of grumbling about the music or decorations. Dress to impress. Show off your personal style and rock the party scene. She donned her most confident outfit, ready to turn heads and embrace the spotlight. Casual vibes. Kick back, relax, and enjoy the laid-back atmosphere. The party had a casual vibe, with people lounging on couches, chatting in groups, and enjoying the company without fuss. Potluck. Collaborate on a feast of deliciousness with everyone's contributions. The potluck was a culinary haven, showcasing diverse dishes and fueling the friendly competition for the best creation. Dance like nobody's watching. Unleash your inner dancer and own the moves, regardless of onlookers. They danced like nobody's watching, uninhibited and free, lost in the rhythm and pure joy of movement. Party favors. Remember the fun with a small token of appreciation. As guests left, they received quirky party favors, a sweet reminder of the night's laughter and shared memories. Toast. Raise a glass and celebrate the occasion, the people, or just the feeling of being together. He raised a toast to the birthday girl, his heartfelt words warming everyone's hearts and sparking cheers. Photo booth. Strike a pose and capture the hilarious, heartwarming, and wacky moments. The photo booth became a magnet for laughter, with friends and strangers alike creating silly memories to cherish. Dance off. Challenge your friends to a friendly showdown on the dance floor. The impromptu dance-off ignited the party, with each competitor bringing their best moves and infectious energy. Sing along. Belt out your favorite tunes in unison, creating a harmonious chorus. The sing-along united the room, voices blending in a joyous tapestry of familiar melodies. Bonfire. Gather around the crackling flames, sharing stories and forging connections. The bonfire cast a warm glow, fostering a sense of intimacy and camaraderie as everyone reminisced and shared laughter. Games. Spark friendly competition and light-hearted fun with interactive activities. Board games, card games, and laughter filled the air as groups huddled around, strategizing and celebrating victories. Pool party. Dive into the refreshing cool and splash your way through summer fun. The pool party was a haven of joyous shrieks, playful splashes, and refreshing dips under the warm sun. Theme party. Embark on a fantastical journey with a designated dress code and immersive atmosphere. The 80s theme party was a blast from the past, with neon lights, big hair, and classic tunes transporting everyone back in time. After party. Keep the celebration going for the diehards who can't get enough. The after party was a cozy gathering of dedicated revelers, swapping stories and soaking in the last drops of the night's magic.